everyone. I just touched down into Accra, Ghana at the airport. The airport took like 2 or 3 hours to get out of because once you land, you have to take a COVID-19 test. And it's a rapid test to see if you have COVID-19. That was an additional $150 with the family. And then we're on our way to the Best Western Plus Beach Hotel. We saw a lot of hotels we wanted to stay at, but we like the fact that this hotel is on the beach. I don't know what they mean by safe, because you see my fat butt is wet. Oh, they said it's safe. I don't think so. Just got finished the Cocoon National Park where the Canterbury Bridge is. Almost lost my phone. As you can tell, I'm not smiling and joking. I am hot. I at least lost maybe about 10 pounds. All right, guys, this is the Cape Coast Castle. Seen it in videos many a times, but being here doesn't really give it any justice. This is the last port, also known as the point of no return. I'm about to go up to the steps here and see where the old cannons were. And at one point in time, I'm pretty sure these cannons were very operational. As you can tell, they get some of the original cannon balls, no pun intended. And you see these long cylindrical black cannons that shoot balls out of it. There's my lovely family down there. I'm trying to see what's in there. It's deep though, underground where the slave quarters were.
Oh, I can.
At this time, we're about to go to the male dungeon. This is the burial place of Kwame Nkrumah, one of the presidents that died from cancer, supposedly, of Ghana. He was one of the first presidents that tried to create the United States of Africa. Here is a bronze statue of Kwame Nkrumah. He's met with almost every leader that I could possibly imagine. And in this building here that the Chinese built for free, I know. And this is where Kwame Nkrumah is buried. Born in 1909, died in 1972 because of cancer. But some people believe that the CIA and other people as well was part of his death, some sort of assassination, but looked very, very natural. This is his wife, Fatima Nkrumah. She was an Egyptian and she wanted to be buried beside her husband. And we're in a fabric store of great Ghanaian material and quality. There's a difference because some people will get the Chinese knockoff that don't last after one wash, where the Ghanaian material will last you anywhere from 3 to 5 years of washing before it starts to fade. I'm here at Side Hills National Park in Ghana, which is a wildlife, something like a safari with antelope. I'm sweating so bad, look at that. See, I got my workout shirt on today. Currently I'm in a Ghanaian grocery store. They're showing you some of the products. I'm in the toy aisle. Oh, they got these cocoa balls. You know what I'm saying? Them zero flakes. That means they got zero flavor. That's what that means. Got Hey, what's going on, everyone? Currently, I'm in Accra, Ghana, at the W.E.B. Du Bois Memorial Center for Pan-African Culture, and came inside the gate, right beyond that car. Just gonna do a quick span here. We're gonna try to go into this museum, see if this is open. That's my lovely family. Hey guys, right now I'm in Accra, Ghana, right across the street from the airport, and those were my fingers. Just want to show you the airport over there, and traffic really quickly. I don't want people to look at like I'm strange, but I just want to show you I'm at the Marina Supermarket Mall, which Ghanaians do not own. I think the Lebanese owns this mall, but nonetheless, and again, I'm across the street from the KO airport. You can look at the letters right behind the bushes there, you'll see it.